to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you're new. This is my little buddy here. We're gonna be hanging out together and opening it up today. Are you okay? It's very large, but there's a lot of, it sounds like there's a lot of room in here, but it doesn't even fit into frame. So this is my Fabfitfun box for fall 2025, in case you didn't know. We're gonna open it up together and see what I got. Ooh, curated in California. Oh, where is my little cloud canine? Open it. What is it? Hi. Oh. Hi, that's so cute. Fresh pig. Shut the front door. Oh, that is so pretty. The flowers. Paper. The box. Can I gently, I need one of you. Hi, okay. I just, it is big for not a good reason. I thought I messed up because I opened it and then I went to count and I was like, hold up, what? Normally when you do Fabfitfun, you get 6 full-size items that I think everybody actually gets to pick all of them. You get different categories, you can pick different things from all the categories, full-size items. It's fun times, right? I opened this and I counted 7. I was like, wait, should there be 8? That's an odd number. It's supposed to be even numbers, right? No, it's 6, and they added an extra one this season, and I'm thinking something about maybe like the price went up. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to go in and check. Editing Me is gonna put all this down below in the description because she's so good at this. And I'm a seasonal member. I don't think I want to say my bill comes around sometime when it's cold here in Arizona. So I think it's like either the winter or the spring box. I'll have to check. But thank you, Editing Me. You got this. The first item is from Shop We Wore What. It's an oversized crew neck in the size medium. It was supposed to be $68. Oh, let me get this out of here from HelloFresh. Is that the only ad thing we have in here? Yes. Sweet. Not something I would have picked for myself, but I do find myself picking more clothing items from Fabfitfun. Can I open you? No, that's okay. I do love me a maroon, a mauve, a deep purple. That's who I am. I'm that girl. Hi. And it looks kind of cute. It's kind of like a heavier material. I picked a medium because I wanted it to fit more snug on me because I thought they said it was, yeah, oversized. Feels like exact size. But this is cute. Let's do this. We'll give it a try. Winter is coming eventually. I hope so. I hope so. But yeah. We have what, like 3 more months here in Arizona until it's cold? Like end of October. What is this? August? September? October? Yeah. Anywho, this should go pretty quick. The next item I picked was a mystery item. Are you the mystery item? It says it's $25 because I didn't like anything in the category, so I started trying to do the mystery items because a few people have been like, hey, try the mystery items. Sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. This is gonna be a miss. It looks like it's a hair gel. Geely R&Co Teleport Flexible Control Hydra Geely Gel, but it's spelled G-E-L-E-E. Gilet. Am I trying to be fancy and I don't need to be fancy? Oh my goodness. No. Oh, bleh, bleh. I don't like sticky. Okay. Hi, Betty. Is this you? I'm assuming it's you. I don't see it anywhere else in the box. You're sticky. Okay, cool. So this is $25. I'll probably see if one of the littles wants it, because I don't. I don't use gel on my hair. I don't. It's pretty free flowing, does its own thing most of the time. Today it's extremely hot and we had to go out and about today, so it was like hair clipped back up. But yeah, it just does what it wants most of the time. But cool. $25 for a gel? I think the last time I used a gel on my hair, dang, I want to say like middle school, high school. And it was not the Swab, it was something else, like Aqua something, I'm pretty sure. I think it was not $25, but okay. Okay. Anywho, on to the next items. Oh, I think I did, let me show you. I think I did a lot of hair stuff, so I wonder if that's why they gave me this guy, because they're like, hey, the girl likes hair. So, the next item is from Carasilk. Carasilk? Is it Carasilk? I'm saying Carasilk. Is that Carasilk? Multi-benefit hair oil for $34. Are you? Hi. Oh, you're heavy. Are you a glass bottle? Carasilk. $34. I do want to take care of my hair better. She had, ooh, yeah, we're glass. Polish, protected, luxurious, multi-benefit hair oil. Do you smell good? Oh, you do, baby girl. I used to take hair oil, the OGX or OXG one in the little gold bottle. Squeeze it, slather it. Okay, we're open too. And then all over my hair. This is open. And then I learned that doesn't really help your hair. It just kind of weighs it down. Thank you to Gabby, my hairstylist, who saved my hair over the years. And so I learned to just put it on the ends, and she's flourishing. That smells nice though. Okay. Yeah, it's leaking. It's leaking and the lid does not stay on. Okay. Cool. For $35, I would have thought the lid would, it's $34. So maybe that's why the lid doesn't stay on. The next item is from Ceremonia Guava. It's a leave-in conditioner. Is it you? This guy that's open. It's a leave-in conditioner for $27, and we don't like to stay. I like the box though. Hello. The outside is just bam, 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 bam. Guava leave-in conditioner. The inside of the box is guavas. You shut the front door. Oh, that's so cute. I feel like if I just took some of the things like this, the insides of really pretty boxes, and like made wallpapers out of them, bam, overnight. Bajillionaire. Deep hydration repair cream. I don't need it because I have a whole box of stuff I still have to use because I want to use it, and this is going to go in there. But I was like, ma'am, you sound good. Remove excess water from clean, damp hair. Begin with a dime-size amount of product. Little goes a long way. Spread the guava leave-in conditioner between your palms. Apply throughout the hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. Oh, apply your should needed. I want to know if you smell good, but I'm not going to open you. Please don't be opened already. How do I close the... Okay, so the lid and the bottom are also different colors. The whole thing is different colors. Bam. You got me. Ma'am. Huh. Guava leave-in conditioner. Guava leave-in conditioner. Guava leave-in conditioner. I like that. To the point. Hello. How much were you? $27. That's a good. I'm excited. Have you guys used that before? I'm gonna use it. Excited. Oh, the next item. This one. It is from Bondi Boost. It's a heat protectant spray for $20. It's got Vitamin B5, Davidson plum, and rosemary. And when I heard rosemary, I know it's supposed to be good for like your scalp and the regrowth of hair. Not that I'm like without hair. I have hair. It's just I feel like I've lost about half of my hair. I used to have the thickest hair, and now I don't know what's up with 2025, but that's pretty cool. So now I'm professional. HG heat protectant spray. Never used this before, but I'm excited. We're gonna do this. Oh, can be used on wet or dry hair. Some products are like, yeah, it's for heat styling tools, but like, why are you blow drying it? And I'm like, well, when I blow dry my hair, that's a heat tool. Anywho, on to the next items. I already have these, but I wanted to, let me show you. This is the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Body Hair and Fragrance Mist. I don't have the one in my office. I think I took it to the living room because I was spraying it all over me. I love it. This still smells so good. Super skeptical. Another celebrity brand, $27.99. And I was like, a body spray? You can go get those at Walgreens for like $8. Like, just waltzing into Sephora one day right after this came out, and I was like, let me see what it's all about. It's not gonna be, ma'am, I bought it. I bought it all. Oh, you can smell it. This and the mist on this is so fine. So I already have, this will be my fourth one. I've used one, and then I bought two, and then I bought another one. So I have 3 running around, and now I have another one. And yeah, I'm going to keep this in the box until I'm ready to use it, or else I'm going to bust it open, use it, goodness knows where, with the other ones. They all need to be used. Not that I have an issue with using them. And you had to get it up front. Can't just let it be white. It's $28. This is the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. The smells, and then the fact that this just freaking soaks up into my skin. My skin soaks it up immediately. When I put it on my hands, like I have the hand one too, which is okay, but this one, so I put it on my hands, and it's not slippery, it's not sticky, it's not like residuey. It just hydrates and like goes away. It's like, okay, I've done what I needed to do. Have a good day. Toodaloo. It's good. I love it. I do. I have 2 of these, and they're almost empty. There's one by my bed that I use right out of the shower, right before bed, things like that, because it smells so nice and heavenly, and just like you transcend your soul, just, and then bedtime, sleep. Great. It's wonderful. This, and then I also have one at work, because like sometimes you just need, what is it? Comfort. You need comfort. I also have another one of these at work too, so I forgot. Oh, and I have the mini one of these too in my little backpack. It's literally like that. Oh, it's so cute. If you haven't seen it, you need to see it. It's so cute. Also, speaking of cute, speaking of, look at that. Who is designing these? You're getting bonuses, right? Because, oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. Can I tear this box apart and then like flip it around? And then I can use, no you can't. It's stuck on one side. Dang it. Because I was like, if I can turn this around, flip it inside out, and then I can use this as like some form of fall decor, like in the bathroom? Kitchen. In the kitchen, fall decor. That's so freaking adorable. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, we're done. That is everything. Can I put it in here nice and neat? No, no. Okay, this is sticky. Can we all? Ta-da! Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I knew I was forgetting something. I was like, wait a minute. 7. Oh, and fun fact, I also have, when she did these, when I re-upped directly from the Rare Beauty website, I got a sweater. Feels nicer than this, but still pretty good. You should go check it out. It feels so nice. But yeah, that's everything in my fall 2025. Yep, you're gonna fall over. Fall 2025 Fabfitfun box. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while we open this together. Let me know what you picked down below, because this box was very Rare Beauty heavy. And I was like this close from getting extra like body sprays and lotions, because I know I got them, but then I was like, what if I double it? But I'm like, girl, you need to chill. Chill. So close. Anywho, I'm gonna put some of this away and then see how this fits. Yeah. But I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.